What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about overall stock market and see what the market did today and where the market is heading going into tomorrow, Friday. But before we dive into this video, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, and if you like this kind of content, drop a like, comment below, and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm, and 50 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated, guys. And if you find my videos are helpful and you want to get more access with me throughout the day, get all my real-time buy and sell alerts and all the callouts, and now I'm also doing live trading in my Discord 3 days a week. Check out the Patreon and the Discord. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And now let's have a look at the market and see what the market did today. Dow was up 0.5%, Nasdaq was up 1.13%, and S&P was up almost 1% on the day. And if you look at these groups, led by technology, consumer cyclical, healthcare, basic material, real estate, and you have energy all the way here on bottom. So basically a risk on move today here in the market. Also, if you look at these maps, we got Apple up on the day 1.21%. Microsoft was up also 1.24%. Google was down 1.30%. And look at this chip makers, guys. Nvidia was up 6.5%. Amazon was up 2% on the day, and Tesla is absolutely flat on the day. And now we're going to look at S&P 500 ETF SPY. On SPY, I want to show you guys something interesting. This lower Bollinger Band rapidly moving up and now sitting just under 390. So SPY here, I don't think we're coming down to 381, 380 anytime soon. We're still going to see a push to the upside. And even today, we tried to break 398, 397 right here, white line 20 SMA, and we failed. And now it's sitting at 396, but now we are holding 395 as a support into closing. So going into tomorrow, also that PPI data coming out tomorrow morning. So watch if this thing can break 398, SPY going back up to 400, and that's gonna be a big resistance. Above 400, we also have resistance at 403, 405, and then possibly going into next week, we might see SPY going up to 408 to retest this resistant trend line, which is sitting right around 407, 408, and then possibly get a fake breakout all the way up to even 410. Now, only way we're out of this bear market that would be bullish, we can get that breakout above 410. SPY moves even higher, like 415, 420, come back down and retest this resistant trend line as a support, and then we go back up, and that would be end of this bear market, which I don't think it's happening anytime soon. So watch this big resistance at 408 and 410 going into tomorrow, and also next week, Monday and Tuesday. Tomorrow we have support at 395 and then big support at 390. To the upside, we have resistance at 398, 400, 403, 405, and then 407 to 408 resistant trend line right here, and then 410. And now we're going to look at triple Q. On triple Q, we're up 1.18%, which is a good news. And this one also, same interesting thing happening, guys. Lower Bollinger Band moving up, and also the upper Bollinger Band coming down. So one thing is going to happen. And as of right now, there is room to the upside, then room to the downside here on triple Q, because we cannot go below 277 as of right now until this lower Bollinger Band moves down all the way down to like 270, 260. Then we are going to see triple Q coming down even more. As of right now, upper Bollinger Band sitting at 294. So definitely more upside, at least from where it is right now. We could see this thing going all the way up to 294, 296, and that would be a $10+ move here on triple Q. Now going into tomorrow, we also have support at 280, and even today, guys, if you call this dip 280, and I make those videos for you guys every night, and people that are watching and actually writing down levels, I see some people making money because 280 was a big support, and I said it last night in my video, and below that down here at 277. So 280 was holding, and if you bought this dip right here on triple Q, you don't need nothing, no alerts, nothing. If you just keep at stop 20-30%, and you easily made money here on triple Q because this thing ran all the way up to almost 285, touching blue line 5 SMA, and also big resistance right here, 284, 285, and now we are trading at 283.85 at the closing. So tomorrow, same thing. We have support at 280, 277. We also have resistance at 285, 286, white line 20 SMA, 290, and then 293, 296. And now we're going to look at DIA. So DIA also now finally up above 338 right here. But if you look at it, guys, now white line 20 SMA actually moved up. It's sitting just under 340. So we're still under white line 20 SMA. But if you look at it yesterday, this white line 20 SMA was at 338 and we were sitting at 336. And now it's trading at 338.46 at the closing. So tomorrow, I would say this one here, DIA wants to move higher. We need to get above 340. And if that breaks, we're going to see 345 to even 350 once again here on DIA. To the downside, we have support at 336, 333. Look at this lower Bollinger Band, how fast this thing is moving up straight. And now it's sitting at 332. So 333, 332 also as support, and then down here at 326. And now we're going to look at IWM Russell 2000 ETF. So on this ETF also, guys, and I've been calling it out for past couple of days that look at this lower Bollinger Band. I don't see any crash happening anytime soon, but that could be coming next year. As of right now, lower Bollinger Band again moving up, and even today, look at this move, guys. 179.51, and also lower Bollinger Band sitting at 179. So we got a bounce off of this Bollinger Band, went back up to almost 183. And if you caught this move, you also made money here on IWM. This was a nice setup, buying off of this lower Bollinger Band and selling out at 183. Easily few dollars here on IWM was possible if you're day trading today. Now above 183, more upside. We can go all the way up to 184, white line 20 SMA, and only if that breaks, we're going to see IWM heading higher, back up to 188, which is going to be a big resistance. Look at how many times we tried, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now finally we did not get that breakout above 188, and now huge pullback down to almost 180, 178. So tomorrow, watch this big support, 178 and 179. And to the upside, we have strong resistance at 183, 184, 188. And now we're going to look at VIX Volatility Index. On VIX, we're down 1.72% on the day. And just like I said last night, that $23 will be a big resistance. Only if we can break that, then watch out for 24 and then 25. We did not get that breakout, and now looks like we are pulling back. And in that case, watch out for the support all the way down here. 5 SMA on this daily chart on VIX, 21.39. And if that breaks, back down to even 20, and that would give market a chance to run even higher. We have strong resistance at 23, 24 right here, and then 25. If this thing can break 24, 25, then I'll be cautious in the market. We might see a bigger pullback, guys. And now we're going to look at dollar index. On dollar, we are absolutely flat on the day and still holding above the support 104. And if that gives up this falling wedge, we might be coming down here to the bottom of this wedge, which is right around 102. And that only if this thing breaks below 104. To the upside, we have strong resistance right here, guys, right around 105.60. And it's not breaking as of right now. So watch this support 104 to hold. If not, dollar coming down to, I would say, right around 102, and then possibly sometime end of the year into next year, we could see a flush all the way down to flat 100. So thank you so much for watching.